Now we're going to load our first 3D models. So in the side menu, you click New Edit to open the model editor. And after that, we're going to load our model in the GLB format. So you can use your own models or you can use the ones that we provided for free as the samples for this tutorial. So immediately after you loaded your model GLB, you'll see the editor will prompt your preview model. So you can see and move around and you can see if it's okay. If not, there's no error on it. And this model will serve for all Android devices. But for iOS devices, you need to upload the model in the USDZ form. It's just a format that won't show in the preview if you loaded just a USDZ, but is needed for the iOS devices, the iPhone devices, to run it. And you can also optionally click in the auto rotation. If there's no interaction, the model will auto rotate itself.